it's time for the IPSY review. I figured I wouldn't get on camera this time because I am feeling a little bit under the weather, so we could still review this bag though. Now it did come black and white, and I did color one side, so that's what you just seen. And I got the pink and the green marker, but I just kind of wanted to just color one side and leave the other side black and white, just like it come. Now we're going to go ahead and start breaking into the products. First of all, I got two of these masks by Meg Cosmetics, the Good Night PM masks, and of course I've already used one of them. The mask, there really wasn't anything that really wowed me about them. I mean, it's just a regular facial mask. So, I mean, I did like that they put masks in the bag, but there wasn't really nothing too great about them. Now, this is the City Color Cosmetics Glow Duo. Now, there is one cream side and one powder side. The one side is a little bit too dark for me, so I did use that for a bronzer topper, and it really come out beautiful. The cream highlighter that was for my skin tone, that one really did come out beautiful. I really did love that. So I do like the Glow Duo pack here. And this is, of course, the shades swatched. Now, this is the Glossier, or Glossier. I've heard people call it Glossier. I'm not sure. No, it is labeled as a skin balm. I got mine in coconut, I believe. Yes, it's in coconut, and it smells just like the name of it. I love this, but I did use it for a lip balm, and I did use it for a topper over my eyeshadow, and it came out absolutely beautiful. And of course, I swatched that too. I don't know why. It's just a clear balm. Now, they did have one that had a rose tint to it. That's the one I was wanting, but this one came out really good. Now, this is the Hikari. This is the eyeshadow in the shade Envy. Now, this is called a cream eyeshadow pigment. I absolutely fell in love with this eyeshadow, guys. It is such a beautiful color, and of course, I'm going to show it to you swatched. I mean, it is just a color that I do not have in my collection, and I've got a really big collection. So I'm so glad that they did send me this shade, and this is the exact shade that I wanted to be sent, and that's the one I got. Now, the next thing that I got in the bag, this is the Tarte Cosmetics, the Sex Kitten Cream Pencil Liner. Now, this, guys, I did love this pencil, and I have tried this before, so I really do love this pencil. It's just the size that they give you. This is it right here, and that was only for me swatching it a couple of times, and I did use it one time. But you know what? You can't really complain for $10 a month. I mean, you cannot beat that. And of course, I'll show you this swatch too. It's very, very black. I did love this bag this month, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the review.